Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be sharing with you some ideas of things that you can save to put into your scrapbook. These can be travel memorabilia or just everyday odds and ends that you can add into your scrapbook or bullet journal so that you can have these memories forever. Okay, so first up are Polaroids and pictures from your life, events that you went to, or even your good old Instagram feed. I love the quote, "Taking pictures is savoring life intensely every 100th of a second." Pictures add that visual element, and when you see it, it immediately takes you back to that moment and you get to relive it all over again for years and years to come. Next up is travel tickets. So these can be luggage tags, plane tickets or printouts, bus passes or bus tickets. I love keeping these as a reminder of places that I've been to and little details such as seat numbers, and of course it even has more sentimental value, especially if you're traveling with someone that you care about. I actually shared a travel plan with me using things that I saved from my trip, so I'll link it in so you can have some ideas of how you can use your travel scrapbook. Maps and brochures are fun items that can add a lot of color to your scrapbook. You can even mark off all the places you've been to and write little notes about what you did, or who you were with, or even how you felt. It's also great to keep because if the place changes, you'll always have what it looked like in the moment that you visited. Dried flowers and leaves add great texture and a sense of touch to your spread. You can even learn how to dry and press flowers so that they retain their shape and color for many years. In the travel plan with me, I also shared how I used a dried rose as a meaningful touch to my scrapbook. Fabric or pieces of string can remind you of your favorite outfit, a special package, or a fun event that you went to. You can just snip out a piece and stick it into your spread. Whenever you visit cute shops and boutiques when traveling, it's always fun to save gift cards or gift tags that have nice words or patterns on them. And if you go to an event or meet new people, saving pretty business cards will be a great way to add some color to your spread. Tip number 7 is saving tea bags. Different countries and places can have really unique tea bags with quotes, patterns, or even pictures. When you drink your tea, you can easily save the paper part to add into your spread. For instance, I love the quote on this one that says, "There is nothing like you, there was nothing like you, and there shall be nothing like you." Receipts like hotel receipts and parking tickets are great for when you go on road trips or even just visiting somewhere new. Just like saving travel tickets, receipts can add that extra sentimental touch to your scrapbook, and you'll always remember the room you stayed in and the places that you visited. Postcards and stamps are often very easy to find when you're traveling, and they can sometimes be really cheap too, which makes it a perfect item to collect when you're scrapbooking. It's also useful because many of them have high quality images of famous places from the country, and you can stick those in and then write details about it. Tip number 10 are tickets from events like your first movie date, a cricket match, blogger event, theme park, or even a club. These are perfect for scrapbooking because it helps you to add additional information about what you did. It just makes all the details even more vivid because it has those extra bits and pieces to help you remember. Hotel cards are also fun to add into your scrapbook, like in the one that I did here. Some hotel cards can look really pretty and have lots of patterns on them, as well as the name of the hotel, which also makes it a great item to collect for scrapbooking. You can even use them as backgrounds for journal cards and stickers. Product packaging from items gifted to you or that you bought can be really pretty. Instead of throwing them out, why not add them to your scrapbook or bullet journal as a background? Or you can even cut out the pretty parts and stick them in like stickers on your page. Maybe I can do some scrapbooking spreads to give you ideas for your scrapbook, so thumbs this video up if you want to see that. Food packaging can also be really fun things to add into your book. Some bakeries, for instance, have really nice packaging and paper bags that you can stick in, especially if they have nice quotes, colors, or patterns on them. Of course, stickers are a must-have to add in because there are just so many different kinds of stickers, textures, patterns, styles, and designs that can brighten up your spread. You can even invest in a sticker book that sometimes have up to 100 or more stickers, or even a variety pack that you can just use for a really long time without having to keep buying new ones. Last up is scrapbook paper or pretty paper because let's be real, these can be used to add color and life to your spread, but they can also be used to DIY your own journal cards or page flags, and you can even cut it into lots of different patterns and shapes to decorate your spread. So there you have it. Those are the 15 things that you can save to add into your scrapbook. Feel free to comment and let me know some things that you'd like to add to your scrapbook. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.